Achtbare voorsitter, our president's attempt to sit South Africa down for story time over the tale of a young child who has allegedly benefited from government programs while he blatantly ignores the fact that under ANC rule, we've seen increased unemployment, dependency and poverty. The ANC creates the constant need to address social ills as they create poverty and dependence. Mr. President, governments can only provide for the poor as long as they can get tax from the taxpayers. So the only ones that needs to be thanked for this little child's performance is the taxpayers in South Africa. Die toenemende armoede en misdaad en brutale moorde van soveel Suid-Afrikaners kan als aan die regering se onvermoë en ook hulle onwilligheid en opsetlikheid toegeskryf word. Jacob Zuma was not the sole reason for state capture. Your failure to act decisively made you complicit. Turning a blind eye made you an accomplice. The ANC created load shedding, not Eskom. The ANC initiated state capture, not the Guptas. You are the ones with the Caire Deployment Committee. Geen gepoleerde woorde of skyn empatie in u toespraak sal die herstel bring wat Suid-Afrika nodig het, meneer die president. No word of encouragement from your speech can rekindle the faith that South Africa has in government. You cannot be trusted. 2024 will be yet another year we will have to face the giants in our lives. At times, we might even feel overwhelmed. Ons sal reëse soos die nasionale gesondheidswetgewing, die Bella-bil, as ook onteiening sonder vergoeding in die oë moet staar. Maar die stryd is nie te vergeefs nie. My Bybel staan daar dat vat daar 1000 aan my sy en 10,000 aan my regterhand. Sal ons nog steeds oorwin. Al stap ek deur 'n dal van doodskare wees, sal ek geen onheil vrees nie, want U is met my, U stok en U staf, U vertroos my. It's up to us to put an end to this destructive and oppressive government and rebuild South Africa. Morena wadula stulu, batu wa lapisika kimaka, hakuna metsi, hakuna dijo, hakuna mosomu, skalebala July 2021, Honorable Ramaphosa, Gasia Fela, utlabuna muputsa ya gagu, hotla sintle, remember July 2021, al julle haatspraak kan ongelukkig die vonk in die kruitvat wees wat ons ervaar. Die moontlikheid bestaan selfs dat ons soos in Nehemia van ouds met die troffel slegs in een hand hierdie land kan herbou waar ons met die ander hand moet waak. Honorable President, your oppressive laws and